There are kiwi,
Um, um, strawberry.
strawberry. Yes, very good. Strawberry.
Um,
This one. Are you familiar with this? I
uh,
think
grape.
yes, very good. This is a grapes. And how about this one? This
What?
is it a watermelon? It starts with letter P.
Beach.
Is it peach? I think this one is the peach, this
No,
one.
no, 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 no.
But also, yes, we have peach here. This is the peach. See, this is a peach. But it is the other P, letter P. Peach and huh. It also has the word apple. Pine. It is the. Are you familiar with pineapple?
And yes,
Yes, okay, so good job. So this is a pineapple. And this there is also peach here. Yeah. Kiwi, strawberries, and a pineapple and grapes. Okay. So that is a fruit salad. So you should try this one since you have shared earlier that you haven't tried eating fruit salad, but this one it is very good, especially when you mix the fruits together. It's very healthy. Okay, so it is fruit salad is one of the famous dessert, one of the famous dessert in other places, dessert in other places. So that is a fruit salad, and sometimes like the smoothie, so they also put milk in the fruit salad because it adds more flavor to the fruit salad. So that is how they cook a fruit salad. Okay. So next, let's go with the next one.
is a music.
Very good. Okay, one more time. Let's say milkshake.
Uh, is a music.
Okay, perfect. So this is a milkshake. So have you tried a milkshake before?
Um, before
Yes. Have you
chocolate,
tried?
chocolate.
Oh, chocolate milkshake. Wow, that's very good. That is my favorite milkshake among other milkshakes. Okay, so when we say milkshake, like what you have said, so it is a kind of cold drink. Cold drink made also with milk, ice cream, and has flavor like chocolate, strawberry, and other flavors. So one of the famous milkshake is chocolate milkshake because it's very good. Okay, do you like a milkshake?
Yes.
Yes, wow, that's good. Okay, so this is a milkshake. So it is a cold drink with milk, ice cream, and has flavoring such as chocolate, strawberry. So that is it. Okay, so do you have any questions with the four food that we had discussed? No? Before we proceed to the next page, do you have any question or confusion about these foods?
No.
Okay, okay. So let's go to our next page. Let's listen to our sentence pattern here and let's try to understand it after.
Then listen. Page 10. See, listen,
Can you
and
hear it?
say.
Can you hear it?
Yes.
Then listen
Yes.
and read.
I want to make an omelet. An omelet. A smoothie. A fruit salad. A milkshake.
Okay, so for this one, we have here the sentence pattern. Can you read this one? I want.
I want to make an omelette.
Okay, very good. So I want to make an omelette. So as we can see here, there are some words that is here. Can you read all of these ones?
An omelette, a smoothie, a fruit salad, a milkshake.
Okay, very good. So as we can see here, the an and a is used. So if you still remember when we use an, so we use it in vowel sounds like a, e, o, u, or this or the words that starts with a, e, I, o, and u, like omelette. So what letter does omelette starts? What letter omelette starts?
Um,
Letter? What letter?
it's
It's letter?
O.
Yes, very good. It's letter O. So therefore, omelette has a vowel sound. So we will use an. Okay, but for those who doesn't begin with vowel words or such as a, e, I, O, U. So we will use like this one, a smoothie, a fruit salad, and a milkshake. So we use this sentence pattern if we want to cook something. Or for example, this chef or this cook, she wants to make an omelette. So we will say, I want to make an omelette. And if we want a smoothie, what will we say? What will we say if we want to make a smoothie? I want.
I want to make a smoothie.
Okay, very good. How about this one? I want.
I want to make a fruit salad.
Okay, and the last one, I want to
I
make.
want to make a milkshake.
Okay, very good. So that is how we use this sentence pattern. So now, let's try to practice or let's try to listen to a story here about Omar, Ella, Lisa, and I cannot see the name of the other one. Let me just edit out this. What is the name of that? Tam. Okay, so he is Tam. Okay, so let's listen to their story.
1,
I want to make an omelet. I need some eggs and some milk.
2,
I want to make a smoothie. I need some bananas and some yogurt.
3,
I want to make a fruit salad. I need some oranges and some peaches.
4,
I want to make a milkshake. I need some milk and some ice cream.
Okay, so that is for the story about Omar, Ella, Lisa, and Tam, or what are the things or what are the foods that they want to make. So now let's go with Omar, which is for number 1. What does Omar wants to make?
He want to make an omelette.
Okay, one more time. Let's say omelette.
Omelette.
Very good. So he want to make an omelette. So what does or what are the things that we need to make an omelette?
He needs some milk and some eggs.
Very good. So he needs some milk and some eggs. Very good. Next, how about for Ella? What does she wants to make?
She wants to make a smoothie.
And what do we need to make a smoothie?
We need some bananas and some yogurt.
Okay, very good. So we need some bananas and some yogurt. How about Lisa? What does she wants to make?
She want to make fruit salad.
Yes, what do we need when we make a fruit salad?
She need some oranges and some peach.
Okay, very good. So she needs some oranges and some peach. Peach or peaches?
Pe- peaches.
Okay, very good. Because we have here how many peaches or how many peach? We have
There, there are two peaches.
okay, very good. So if we make peach into plural, so we will add es. Okay, so we have two peaches instead of only using peach. Okay, so but great job. Next, how about for Sam? What does he wants to make?
She want to make music.
Very good. He wants to make a milkshake. And what does he need for milkshake?
He needs some milk and some uh, cho-
Yes, chocolate. What kind of chocolate? Chocolate,
mm, ice
ice.
I mm, ice cream.
Okay, one more time. Let's say ice cream. Ice.
Ice cream.
Okay, very good. So ice cream. So in making a milkshake, we need a milk and an ice cream or flavored ice cream, which is in this one, Tam uses a chocolate ice cream to make a chocolate milkshake. So very good. So good job. So now let's have another. So let's check your answer first here. So can you read some of the sentence here for number one?
I I want to make an omelette. I need some eggs and some milk.
Okay, very
I
good. So,
I want to make a smoothie. I need some bananas and some yogurt. I want to make a fruit salad. I need some oranges and some peaches.
okay, very
I
good.
want to make a music. I need some milk and some ice cream.
Okay, perfect. Very good. So one more time, let's say this one, this word. Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Okay, very good. Good job. Next. So that is how we use I want to make the sentence pattern, okay? And next, and this, let's have this one. So, oh, can you read the first number and answer yes or if it's a yes or no?
No.
No? Are you sure? Let's check. Let's check. Omar. Okay. Why is the answer no?
Big
Omar?
Oma. Oma
Omar.
needs some eggs and some milk.
Okay, very good. So Omar needs some eggs and some milk instead of some bananas. Because what does Omar wants to make?
Uh, be- because Asma want to make an omelette.
Okay, very good. Because Omar wants to make an omelet. Good job. So the answer here is no. So number two, Ella wants to make an omelet. Is it a
No,
yes or no? No, very
no.
good. Because it is Omar who
Uh,
makes
us-
the
she want to make a smoothie.
okay, let's check if she wants to make a smoothie. Okay, very good. So she wants to make a smoothie. And what does she need? to make
She
a
needs,
smoothie?
she needs some bananas and some yogurt.
Okay, very good. So good job. So this is also no. Number 2, Lisa needs some peaches. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So yes, Lisa needs some peaches because what is Lisa wants to make? What does Lisa
She,
wants to make?
she wants to make a fruit salad.
Very good. She wants to make fruit salad. And aside from peaches, what does she need aside from peaches?
Uh,
She,
she
she
needs some peaches and oranges and
uh,
some oranges.
okay, very good. So she needs some oranges and some peaches. Very good. So next, number 4. Tom wants to make a milkshake. Is it a yes or
Yes.
no? Oh, yes, very good. So yes, Tom wants.
Nam want to make a milkshake.
Okay, what does he needs to make a milkshake?
We need some ice cream and some milk.
Okay, very good. So he needs some ice cream and some milk. So very good. So also this one is a yes. So good job. Okay. So next, let's have another activity here, which is what can you make? So you will read and write. So let's go first with number 1. Okay. So for this ingredients that we have, mean what can you make?
Uh, I want to make um, a
Is it omelette, smoothie?
smoothie.
Okay, very good. I want to make a smoothie. And what do you need to make a smoothie?
I need some yogurt and some bananas
Some bananas and?
and milk
Okay, very good. And some milk.
and some milk.
Very good. So don't forget some milk. Okay. Next, number 2. What can you make out of these 3 ingredients?
I want to make a um, fruit salad.
Very good. I want to make a fruit salad. And what do you need to make a fruit salad?
I need some apples and some peaches
Some peaches and?
and oranges and some oranges.
Okay, very good. So good job. So remember, we shouldn't add this one and before finishing the 3 ingredients. So we will add it if we are at the end of the ingredient, like this one. I need some apples, some peaches, and some oranges. So we shouldn't not put it in here. I need some apples and some peaches and some oranges because it will be redundant or it will be like repeated. Okay, so nice try. Next, number 3. How about for number 3? What can you make out of these ingredients?
I want to make a milkshake.
Okay, very good. And what do you need to make this
I need
milkshake?
I need some milk, some ice cream, and some chocolate.
Okay, very good. So, next, the last one. What can you make out of this ingredient?
I want to make an omelette,
What do you
and
need?
I need some eggs, some milk, some cheese, and some butter.
Okay, very good. I need some eggs, some milk, some cheese, and some butter. Very good. So good job. So that is how we use this 2 sentence pattern. So I want to make then I need some of the ingredients that we need. So very good. So good job. So let's check if your answers are correct. So this one. So this one. So we had already finished it. So very good. Very good, Mean. Okay, so next. Let's go back to, or let's go to our next one. So let's look at the poster and talk about the poster. So let's go first with this one, number 2. So what do they want to make?
They want to make uh, an omelette.
Number 2, is it an omelette?
A fruit salad.
Very good. It's a fruit salad. And what do they need to make a fruit salad?
They need some strawberry,
Strawberry or strawberries?
st- strawberries.
Okay, very good. Because we need a lot of strawberries. So instead of only one strawberry, so we need strawberries. Next, what are the other things that they need to make a fruit salad? Okay, let me just zoom this one. Can we zoom it? Oh, we cannot see even if it's still zoomed. But if you will make a fruit salad, Mean, what do you need? If you will make a fruit salad, what fruit do you want to have in your fruit salad? What fruit? I need some
Add some strawberries.
strawberries only for your fruit salad.
Mm,
If you will cook your own fruit salad, what fruits do you want to have?
uh, some carrot.
Oh, carrots. Yes, it's also a fruit. Some strawberries,
Some apples.
some apples. Okay, forgot the some. Some carrots, some apples,
And some mm, and some peaches.
oh, okay, very good. So good job. So that is how we make a fruit salad. So very good. How about let's look at number 1, this one. So what do they want to make?
They they want to make a mm, music.
Okay, very good. So they want to make a milkshake. And what do they need to make
They
milkshake?
they need some milk. Mm, some
You want to let me just zoom. They need some
strawberry
strawberries. Very good. Some strawberries. And what is this one?
and mm,
Starts with letter I. And some ice.
ice cream.
Okay, very good. So yes, so these are the 3 ingredients that they need to make their strawberry milkshake. So very good. Next, let's look at number. Let me just zoom. Oh, this one. Look at number 4. Okay, what do they want to make?
They want to make an omelette.
Okay, very good. They want to make an omelette. And what do they need? Let me zoom out.
They need some eggs
Some eggs and
and some mm,
What kind of vegetable is this?
Tomato.
Very good. And
Um, tomatoes.
Okay, very good. So that is one way also to make an omelette. So we can use a tomato. So tomato omelette. Next, very good. So that is an omelette. So let's look at number 3. So let me just move this. Okay. So for number 3, so what do they want to make?
They want to make a smoothie.
Smoothie. Very good. And what do they need to make a
They
smoothie?
need they need some strawberries, some um, pizza apple, pizza apple.
Huh? A pineapple. Is that correct? Pineapple?
Mm, um,
Yes, pineapple. Some. How about this one? What is this?
some banana,
Some banana. How about this? Do you know what is this? Blue fruit?
grape,
What is that?
um,
It's called
cherry, berry.
very good. So yes, so that is a blueberry. So good job. So for this smoothie, they need some strawberries, some pineapple, some banana, and some blueberries. Okay. So and also, how about this one? Do they also this need this one? What is that? It's
Some milk.
okay, very good. And some milk. So yes, so let's not forget milk when we make some smoothie. So okay, so very good. So good job. Wow. So I think we had already finished a lesson 4 today. So good job. So for this one, so I think you just need to practice mm, some pronunciations like omelette, milkshake, pineapple, peaches, because you tend to forget reading the es sound at the end of the peach. But for this one, you did a great job because you are able to apply this sentence pattern. I want to make and I need some. So good job. So now let's move on, or let's go to our next lesson material, which is Unit 2. Okay, let me just open Unit 2. Okay, can you see Unit 2 now? Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, so now. So we will have a Unit 2. So what is Unit 2 all about, mean?
You need to around town.
Very good. So Unit 2 is around town. So next. So for this will be our Unit 2 Lesson 1, which is all about.
Place to go.
Okay, very good. So one more time, let's say this one. Places.
Places.
Okay, very good. So don't forget the S sound when pronouncing the word places. Okay, so let's start this lesson. Places to go. Okay, let's first listen to our sound here.
Page
Park.
12. Unit
Okay.
2. Around Town. Lesson 1. Places to go. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Park.
2,
Movie theater.
3,
Supermarket.
4.
Post office.
5.
Department store.
6.
Library.
Okay, so that is for the places to go for this one. Let's read the first one. For the first places that we go to,
Park.
park. Very good. How about the second one?
Movie theater.
Okay, very good. Movie theater. How about the third one?
Supermarket.
Supermarket. And the next?
Post office.
Very good. The next one is?
Department store.
And the last one will be?
Library.
Okay, very good. So these are the common places that people go to. And let's learn more about of these places. And let's go to our next page here. So what do we call this place again? Mean? This is the
Park.
very good. So this is the park. And do you know or do you have any idea what a park is or what can you see in the park?
I see many trees.
Very good. Many trees in the.
In the park.
Okay, good job. Yes. So as we can see in the picture, there are a lot of trees, a lot of nature things. So when we say park, it is a big outdoor place with a tree, grass, playgrounds, and this is where people walk, play, or relax. That is why there are some places in the park that has benches or bench. So there that is where the people relax. And there is also a playground. So do you have a park near your place or near your house, Min?
No.
No, but have you already gone to a park? Have you?
Yeah.
Oh yes. Who are you with when you go to the park? Do you go with your parents? Do you go with your friends?
With your friends.
Oh, with your friends. And what do you do? What are the things that you do at the park?
I play ground.
You play?
Yes.
You play in playground? Oh, wow, that's very good. So good job. So that is the common things that we do at the park. We play in the park, we walk, and also we can relax. Okay, so next, let's go to the next places to go. What do we?
Movie theater.
Okay, very good. So do you know what a movie theater is?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
What can we do at a movie theater?
I watch. We can watch. We can watch movie at movie theater.
Okay, very good. Good job. So yes, we can watch a movie in at the movie theater. So this is one of the places that we go to, especially when we watch to or we when we want to watch a new movie. So for this one, Min, have you already gone to a movie theater before?
Before.
Have you already watched a movie in a movie theater?
Yes.
Oh, yes. And who do you watch the movie with?
Um, my brother.
Oh, your brother. Wow. And what did you watch? What is the movie that you watched with your brother?
Watch. I I watch.
What did you?
Frog and
Oh, Pokemon? Pokemon?
um, I I watch um,
What did you watch? Is it a horror movie, cartoons, anime?
cartoon. I
Oh, a cartoon. What is the title of the movie?
frog and
Frog?
rab frog frog frog
How do you spell that?
FO egg
F-O-H?
egg.
X? X? Oh, fox. Okay, one more time. Let's say fox. Is
And rabbit.
Oh, Fox and Rabbit. Wow, that's a good movie. Okay, so very good. So good job. So good job to know that you had already experienced going into a movie theater, which is the place that we go to watch movies. So very good. So nice job. So next, let's go to the third place that we go to. So what is this place?
Supermarket.
Very good. Supermarket. Have you gone to a supermarket before?
Before toys.
Oh, you buy toys at the supermarket?
Yes.
Yeah. Did you go to the
Fruit.
super
Fruit.
Oh, foods. Very good. Yes, very good. So we can also buy food, we can also buy toys in the supermarket. And
And chocolate.
oh, chocolates. Yes, chocolates. So very good. So we can buy many things in the supermarket because a supermarket is a large store where people buy food, drinks, and household things or the things that we can see in our houses. Okay. So when you go to a supermarket, mean? Do you go with your parents or your mother?
Maja.
Oh, you go with your mother?
Yes.
Okay. And what are the things that you usually buy at the supermarket aside from toys?
Um,
Do you want to buy fruits at the supermarket?
yes.
Yes, okay. And since you told teacher before that you like to eat vegetables, do you also um pick pick the vegetables that you want when you go to a supermarket?
Carrot.
Oh, carrots. Only
Onion.
carrots? Onions.
Um, and mm,
What are the other fruit? Or what are the other vegetables? Only this? These are your favorite vegetables? Carrots?
mhm.
Or you buy a lot of things? You also buy chocolates at the supermarket? Ano? Ah, you don't buy? Okay. Okay, so that is a supermarket. So that is where we buy things that we need every day. So very good. So next, okay, this one.
Department store.
Okay, very good. So as we can see in the picture, what do we mean by a department store?
I want I want to buy a shirt.
Socks? Is that correct? Oh, okay. So very good. So when we say department store, it is the place where we buy clothes. Okay, clothes, shoes, toys, and many more. Okay, so for this one means, so we will just continue this lesson next Friday because I can see here that it is already our time. So very good for finishing a unit 1 today. So good job. And for this one, we'll just continue this on our next class. Okay. So thank you very much, Amin, and I hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye. See you again.
Goodbye.